Dude, he's coming back again. Oh, I got him.
Really?
It's a walleye. It's a big walleye.
Actually?
It's a giant walleye.
What's up, folks? It's the Bass Hammer here, back with another video. Decided to do a shorter video today because I thought this whole fish bite experience was super cool.
It's a tank.
I wanted to share the whole thing with you guys. We had no idea what this fish was. It was a hot, sunny day in crystal clear water, and the last fish we thought it would be was a walleye. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Oh, he just looked at my jerkbait, actually. I can't get my jerkbait down there far enough.
I don't know what I think. I don't know.
That's a bass. He's coming for my jerk.
Alright, this one's being fucking so dumb.
He's coming for it.
Get him, Bill.
No, I'm too close to the boat. Oh my god, he's coming up. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's one of those dogfish or whatever.
It's not carp?
No, this is something that...
Oh, it's bowfin?
Yeah, bowfin.
I've seen them caught in Ethan, but I've never caught one.
Dude, he wants this thing. I'm gonna get him. Hold on. I just gotta get this jerkbait low enough. Dude, it looks like an eel, bro. That's so weird. Dude, he was about to bite it. I just got too close. Actually, he didn't even give a fuck about the boat either. Yeah, he's chasing it up again. Here he comes. Right at the boat. Dude, he's under the boat. I can't. Oh my god, dude, he just chased me all the way up.
No, I had it.
Dude, this might be a bass. I think this... Oh yeah, it's a big bass. No, the boat just spooked him. Oh my god. My fucking heart's beating so quick right now. Dude, he's coming back again. Oh, I got him.
Really?
It's a walleye. It's a big walleye.
Actually?
It's a giant walleye.
Oh my god.
It's a giant walleye.
Oh my god.
It's not a bass or a bowfin. It's a huge walleye.
Oh my god.
What the fuck is going on? That's a giant walleye. That's a giant walleye. That's a giant walleye. That's huge. That's huge. What the hell?
Watch out for me.
I'm geeked.
Oh, that's fucking sick.
That's
dude.
giant.
That's sick.
Dude, what the fuck?
No fucking way.
Dude, it
I'm
just
so
ate it
jealous
right at
right
the
now.
boat. It's a giant.
So right now.
What the fuck? That's a PB walleye by 10 inches.
Do you have a measuring tape?
I do.
Yeah.
That's a giant walleye.
Nice, dude.
Dude, it kept chasing it right up to the boat. It's a fucking, just a unit. I'm filling up the live well.
That's sick. That's fucking crazy. That's nuts.
What the fuck? There's so much rods and shit in the fucking boat right now.
Fuck, this last one I've been on the longest. Fuck, I'm so jealous. That's sick, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get a... Dude, it's fuck, this is a big fish. Holy shit. I'm actually shaking. Oh my.
That's a nice one.
Gosh. Oh. Alright, let me grab it. I got it. It's under you. I'll get it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Got it.
You got it? I'm gonna need some pictures too.
Yeah, I got you. I've been feeding though. Let me take the photo.
I'll get that.
That's sick. Good shit. What the fuck? That was a walleye, dude?
Dude, it's huge. Dude, it's huge.
Put the head the other way so it's on the bottom. And then pull the tail. Go like this. 27.5.
Dude,
That's a nice one.
look at the girth on this thing. 27.5? Oh yeah. Big walleye. Dude, you're gonna have to get the camera. Oh my.
Let's go.
This thing is a beast. Dude,
Let's
that's
go,
sick.
baby. Fuck yeah.
Can you get some actual pictures?
Yeah.
Look at the gut on this guy.
I'll bet you 9.
9 pounder. Look at the tummy. Golly.
I bet you it's over 10.
9 at 8.
8? Dude, imagine 8 pounds small.
Yeah. It can't settle. It's like an 8. Oh, 8, 9.
Okay.
Dude, that was so sick. That was awesome. Absolute tank. The hat's getting done. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that thing was... What?
All day be taking a couple.
Dude, I had no idea what that was, and I saw its eyes were like glittering, or shining.
Yeah.
Dude, the video is gonna be sick, Marsh, because it ate it like right at the boat.
That's insane.
It's like, it was like literally a foot from the top of the water.
That's nuts. Yeah.
Dude, it kept coming back too. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. I'm not even kidding. It like almost hit top water. Like that's how close it was to the top when I came up and grabbed it. I've actually never caught a walleye like close to that big.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more fishing content just like this.